Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I have finally upgraded to the iPhone 17 Pro. It's been a while that I have been using it, and here is my experience. After switching from the 14 Pro, I have been using the 14 Pro for a long time until I had a really bad incident with it. If you guys want me to make a video on it, then let me know down in comments below. It's a really traumatic story, but yeah, it was very, very crazy. I dropped my phone from the lift, like the gap between the lift from 15th floor, and yeah, the rest is history. So basically, that was it. And I had a really traumatic experience. Now I finally upgraded to 17 Pro Max like a while back. This is my first Max phone. I never wanted a Max phone because it was just too big. Here are my impressions on it and how has been my experience over the past couple of weeks. Basically, the 17 Pro Max is just an amazing device to summarize everything because I have been loving this device. But definitely, switching from the 14 Pro, there are a lot of things that I have to talk about. The number one thing is the build quality. Yeah, of course. How can we start a comparison of older iPhone and a new iPhone and not talk about build quality? I definitely feel that this phone, in terms of feels less expensive than the 14 Pro. My 14 Pro always gave me a sense of a really jewelry type of a thing, not a phone but a jewelry, because the way the stainless steel used to shine and the way that phone felt, everything about it was just, I don't know, it just felt amazing. As I said, this is my first Max device. The Max variant feels like a tablet, and this is just too big. Maybe it's gonna take me a while to get used to it, but if you would ask me right now, I have been using the regular size iPhone for a very long time, and the 14 Pro size, the regular Pro, is just amazing. I love the way it feels. I love how it feels like a phone and not a tab. Well, but with the size, there are some drawbacks which we talked about right now, but there are some good parts about it as well. The battery life. The battery life on the 17 Pro Max is just spectacular. The variant that I have is a US variant, so that means I get extra battery life physically on my variant. Boy, oh boy, the worst battery life that I have got was 12 hours of a screen on time in a day, and I ended up getting to 20%. 12 hours, and that's on cellular data most of the time. That is crazy, I know. That also happened recently on the New Year Eve because we were just partying and we were just out all night and all. So yeah, it was a fun night. I shot a lot of videos. I used my phone for socials. A lot of things happened, and after that, I ended up draining just 80% of battery life over the span, and I was using 5G. That's the part which blows my mind. 5G drains battery crazy, and I was using 5G whole time while clicking photos and videos. So yeah, the battery life is just amazing and one of the biggest improvements I have seen. 14 Pro really had a bad battery life, not just because it was a smaller phone, but in general as well. Overall, my experience has been pretty good till now. If you guys want me to talk in detail about the 14 Pro and the 17 Pro, I will be coming up with a full review real soon if this video gets at least 100 likes. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Until then, peace out and have a great day everyone. I will catch you guys in the very next episode.